Trump won Nobel Peace Prize but was unable to settle ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine because Putin says peace will only come if the root causes of the conflict are addressed. Now, what are these root causes? So, there are two root causes. First one is obviously NATO expansion. In 1991, when the USSR disintegrated, NATO started expanding and taking in countries like Poland, Hungary, and Baltic states. Now, even though Russia did not like that, it was not as strong as it is right now, both militarily and economically. So it protested, but nothing much came out of it. So NATO expansion made Russia a little anxious because even in history, Russian invasions came from the West. That led to Russia building a defensive mindset, and it does not want NATO taking over the buffer zone between the West and Russia. But Putin also has a political fear, and that is the root cause number two, that Ukraine now is drawn towards the Western ideas of democracy. Although Russia has a constitution which declares it as a democratic federal republic, the ground realities of Russian politics are far away from the Western definition of democracy. And when you think about it, why would it want to fit in that Western definition of democracy? Because that was the whole basis of the Cold War. But anyways, both Russia and Ukraine were Slavic, Orthodox and Russian-speaking countries, so they were culturally similar. But Russia fears that if Ukraine's democracy becomes fully integrated with the West, then Russia will lose its influence on Ukraine. So, according to Russia, until and unless these two root causes are not addressed, there's no point of having the peace talk.